Your quick fix just made it 10 times worse. That small leak you patched with some caulk or covered with a bucket, it's creating the perfect breeding ground for mold behind your walls right now. What looks like a minor inconvenience on the surface is actually the beginning of a much bigger problem. Here's what's really happening. Moisture seeps into materials like drywall and wood, creating dark, humid spaces where mold thrives. Within 24 to 48 hours, mold spores activate and begin colonizing these areas. And your quick fix? It's just trapping that moisture inside. As weeks pass, colonies spread through wall cavities, underfloors, and into your HVAC system, contaminating the air you breathe. This isn't just about property damage. Mold exposure can trigger allergies, respiratory issues, and other health problems. And by the time you see visible signs, you're looking at thousands in remediation costs. Don't wait until it's too late. At MD Mold Testing, our certified inspectors can detect problems before they become disasters. Visit mdmoldtesting.com today. Protect your home and your health. MD Mold Testing at mdmoldtesting.com.